Hey guys, Jason, Fender Garage. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about front runner kits. This is a Chevy 350 motor, and this is very common when you pop the hood of any classic pickup truck. You'll look in here and you'll see all these multicolored brackets and alternators and compressors and kind of homemade stuff to try to make all this stuff work. And so that was what you did back then. That's kind of way some of that stuff came from the factory. There just wasn't a lot of options with CNC machining aluminum back then, and so this is pretty much what you have. And so there's a lot of front runner kits out there. We've used several, and there's 2 or 3 that we really like a lot. We're going to talk about one specifically, mostly because it's one we probably have used the most and also is local to Arizona as well, and that's All American Billet. So take a look at this. You're probably very familiar with it. This is All American Billet's front runner system on a display. And so this kind of gives you an idea of what this looks like. This would be kind of a compressor location. This would be like an alternator location, maybe a power steering pump if you needed it, and then a belt tensioner and a cover. And this is available usually about 3 different colors that you can just call up and order, and those guys mostly have it in stock. But if you had a special request, they'll do anything for you. They'll anodize it. You give them 6-8 weeks, they'll get you any color you want under the rainbow, so which is pretty cool. Now I like them because it's made here in Arizona, and we kind of like to help those guys that are here. And a phenomenal product. We've had good success, and again, we've had good success with other products out there as well, but we're just kind of highlighting this one, and we'll probably talk about others later on down the road and why we use them, and but for a good product all around, this has been something that we really have enjoyed using. So a basic layout, you can see how much smaller the impact is. It's not gigantic things hanging off way out here and all these crazy bracketry that just feels like you made it at home. This really has kind of a nice fit and finish to it, and I like to keep it condensed. And for me, I don't like all the shiny stuff, but that's just me. I'm more of a guy that likes things to look more OEM, make it look like when you pop the hood, it still looks like that motor you saw from GM or a new car, and everything's kind of all solid black. And so I sometimes have to special order that stuff ahead of time. But again, a good quality product. You can get it in a machine finish or their Silverline finish, and they have actually all kinds of accessories that go with their front runner kits. You can get door handles and all kinds of things that would complement and tie in. So I'll actually show you a couple of them installed on a truck. Now I showed you a Chevy motor, so we're going to go over to some Ford motors that we've actually installed these on and have you check those out. So let's head over. So here is a 1967 Ford Mustang, and it has the original 289 motor. And so we took this motor out and cleaned it all up and painted it back the right Ford blue, but we also use the All American Billet kit. And again, I use black on it, so it's not the shiny stuff, because again, I like to be discreet with things. I don't want you to be so focused on a shiny front runner kit. It's a little bit dirty because we haven't done a final detail on it, but you can kind of see the low impact that it has. It's very small, it's very tight, and all the good quality products are there. And so you get everything, your alternator and all those components come black for you already. And so it really, again, low impact, looks good, good quality. And so very simple product. So I'll show you another one, a little bit different system. It's over here. This is a 67 Ford F100 with a 302. Now this one, again, low impact. I don't know that you can really see down here. I guess you're not going to be able to. It's got a Silverline finish. If you can see that, in there, it's got kind of a silver color recess in there, so it's not all black. And same with the little windows in the pulleys. They have that kind of look and it kind of tied into, the stuff that he's got on this here. So again, low impact. It's very simple, very tidy, and good quality, and it's a serpentine system, so you've got all the different grooves in the belt, not the old standard V belt where you're flipping belts, things are coming off, and there's more lug on the motor, where this actually keeps things nice and tight and works a little bit better. So definitely check those guys out, All American Billet, And you know, we definitely recommend it, and it's what we use here in our shop often, and we think it's a good product. So hopefully that helps. If you're looking for options and those kinds of things, definitely, you know, you can hit us up and ask us. We're a dealer for All American Billet, so if it's something you're looking to buy, give us a call, send me an email, jason@fatfendergarage.com, and hopefully we can help you out. Thanks.